Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make butter popcorn at home. First, gather your ingredients. About 1/3 cup of unpopped popcorn kernels, 2 tablespoons of your favorite cooking oil, and 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. You'll also need a large pot with a tight-fitting lid, a heat source, and a serving bowl. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get popping. Pour 2 tablespoons of cooking oil into your large pot and place it over medium heat. Add 3 popcorn kernels and wait for them to pop. Once they do, add the remaining 1/3 cup of kernels, cover the pot, and remove it from the heat for 30 seconds. This preheats all the kernels, leading to fewer unpopped ones. Return the pot to the heat and shake it gently until the popping slows. While your popcorn is popping, let's prepare that delicious butter. In a small saucepan, melt 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter over low heat. You want it to melt slowly and evenly, without browning or burning. Stir it occasionally until it's completely liquid and has a clear, golden appearance. This ensures a smooth, rich topping for your freshly popped corn. Once your popcorn is ready and the popping has almost stopped, immediately pour it into a large serving bowl. Now for the best part, generously drizzle the melted butter over all the popcorn. Add salt to your liking. A half teaspoon is a good starting point. Gently toss the popcorn to ensure every kernel is coated with that wonderful buttery, salty goodness. Enjoy your perfect homemade butter popcorn.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.